How to delete apps or uninstall the application on your latest Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. To delete the application, just open the app drawer on your device. Long press the application you want to remove on your device. Here you can find the uninstall option. So tap on it. Now you can see the do you want to uninstall this app? Tap on OK to uninstall it. In second method, again long press the application you want to remove. Tap the icon. Here at the bottom you can find the uninstall. So tap on uninstall to uninstall the application on your device. Or you can also use the Play Store. Tap on a Play Store on your device. Tap on a profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on a manage apps and device. Tap on a manage. Here you can see the list of all available applications. Just select the application you want to remove. Here you can remove the multiple application at the same time using this feature. So select the application you want to remove. Tap on a trash icon and you can see the uninstall select apps on your device. So tap on uninstall to uninstall this application and free up space on your device. Or you can also check using the setting which application you don't regularly use and uninstall it. To check it, go to settings on your device, scroll down up to device care, tap on a device care. Here you can see the storage option, tap on a storage. Now here you can find the unused apps you haven't used in the past 30 days. So you can also remove this application from your device to free up space and uninstall it on your device. That's it. If you like it, share it.